Hi guys, Brendan here from Advanced Radio, and I'm going to take you through what Channel Boost does and how to set it up on the SF20 Pro. So, with the SF20 Pro, we've done the basic setup on our model. We've got our ailerons, elevator, and rudder moving. The gyro is also being activated. I did a previous video on this. And we're ready to go do a couple of finer adjustments. So what we do is we go into the main menu, we go into the Smooth Light page, and now we go into the Channel Boost page. You can see a whole bunch of sliders here on the screen. Each of these sliders represents an output channel from the unit. So we've got 1 all the way through to 10, and if I want to go to the next page, I've got 11 through to 20. So that corresponds to SO1 to 10 and 11 to 20. I'll just turn the gyro off really quickly, and you'll see that all of those have gone grey, but the gyro is now off. So, back to 1 and 10. The channel boost function on the system allows for boosting the output per channel. I know that sounds really simple when I explain it that way, but what it means is you can have your master gain, so let's say your gain for your low gain is set to 30 points for your elevator, and for your high gain it's set to 60. But because I'm running thrust vectoring unit on my elevator, I want more gain on that particular servo. So if that servo is servo 8, all I do is I bring the slider up. Helps if I don't have all the way up. So now the gain is boosted on that particular surface by 300%. So now if we're in high gain mode, which we are, that 60 became 180 points of gain, you could say, just to use a number value. If I then flick to low gain, I'll flick to off and then low gain, you'll notice that the slider has gone back to 100%. We offer channel boost for each output in both the low gain mode and the high gain mode, or FM1, FM2. This can be done on any of the outputs on the Smooth Light, and it's a really useful feature for steering servos if you want to have a specific takeoff and landing mode where you want more gain on your steering servo, for thrust vectoring, and if you want more gain on a particular surface. Let's say you want to go into landing mode and you want a little bit more gain on your ailerons just to help stabilize the plane with low speeds. All right. Again, this is an advanced feature that you can implement if you want to. You don't have to, but it's a really, really nice and easy way of just boosting the gain on a select servo output. So, thanks for watching, guys. That's the tutorial on how to use Channel Boost and what it means. Stay tuned for more videos.